Let's make a macrame angel ornament. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we're gonna use these wood rings from Dollar Tree and this nautical rope. I started by taking the nautical rope and cutting them into like 7, 8-inch long strips. And then I'm gonna unravel them. So we have unraveled. And then those unravel pieces, I'm actually going to get more strips off of that. I think I did about 14 strips. Next, I have some cotton. I'm trying to think what Dollar Tree calls it. It's like in the automotive section, but it's cotton, I don't know, string. And I'm going to take a long strip and I'm going to double it. And then what I'm doing here is I'm making the hanger. So all I'm doing is just a knot. That's all we did. See, and that's however big you want your hanger to be. Then I'm going to take it, split the cotton thread, I guess you'd call it, split it in half and just double knot it onto our wood ring. Ta-da! Easy peasy, right? Right. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I have a 1-inch bead, and the easiest way I found to do this is to just put your cording onto a tapestry needle and pull it through so that way it's easy. If not, use some masking tape, that works too. But basically all I did was just kind of measure where I wanted the end of the bead so it didn't move around. And I'm just double knotting it. Perfect, and let's see if it worked. Of course it did. I wouldn't show you if it didn't work. So there's that. All right, so then we're going to take the strips we did and I'm going to do 4 of them on the bottom. And all I'm doing here is it's like a slip knot. That's all it is. See, slip, done. I did 4 of those for the bottom. And I'm going to split them in half and I'm going to tie that part that we have that wood bead on. I'm going to double knot it to the wood ring. That way it stays still. Perfect, right? So that's going to be the angel's head. And then this bottom part is going to be the angel's robe. I tied this center with some gold cord. I suppose you could use floss. That's another thing you could use. Probably it would be a little easier, but yeah. So then I'm going to use some more of those strips and I'm going to do, I think, 5 on each side. This is going to be like the arms reaching up. I love it. It's going to be so much fun. All right. So there we go. 5 on each side. And I kind of pushed them really close together. Next, I'm going to tie. So I go the second one in. I use that one, and then the one next to it from that other knot, I tie them together. I didn't even double knot it, but see how I did that? And then I'm going to go through and add my cording, and I'm just double knotting on 2. So I just do 2, put a cord on it, 2, put a cord on it, and I do it for each one of them. So you're going to have them like this. Ta-da! Love, love. All right. Then I'm going to use a comb, and I'm going to just comb it out. Now, would this look amazing with macrame, like the actual macrame yarn? Yes, but this was from Dollar Tree and it was so much cheaper. I trimmed it. You could add some starch to it if you wanted, but what I was thinking was, wouldn't it be cool? You could put essential oils on this. You could use it for air freshener, or you could put it on your tree and get some, like a pine essential oil and put it so if you have a fake tree, it makes it smell good, or any essential oil. Look at how pretty. I think this could be all year long. Would make a great gift too. All right, friends. That's it for now. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great night.